What up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Magenta. If you are new here, thanks for coming, and if you are returning, hey sis, hey. Today is a content day, so I just want to take y'all along with me so you all can get like a behind the scenes look at what a content day looks like for me. So I'll be recording a few get ready with me videos, and I also will be recording a few unboxing videos. So I got a few requests from a couple of my followers from TikTok asking me to style a few different pair of shoes. So I'm gonna show y'all today which shoes I'm gonna be styling and how the outfits turn out. So give me 1 second. I'll be styling these knee-high Rick Owens. I'll also be styling these these tread boot Alexander McQueen's, and then I'm going to be styling these pastel Jordan 1s low. Now, aside from me, you know, doing my styling videos, I also have a few unboxing videos. So I'm gonna show y'all a few packages that I got, and I have some more packages arriving today. They just haven't got here yet. Okay, so this is my room, and over here is a few packages that I have not recorded videos for. So I got these two items right here. I have to do a review on this bag, this bag, this bag. I still have not done a review on these shoes. I gotta do a review on this bag, and I think I got a box back there with a few packages in it, and shoot. Oh, I got some jewelry up there that I need to do some reviews on as well. I might not get to all of that today, but I will get to it soon. I try to like cluster record. Like, I try to do as many videos in one day as possible so I can use the rest of the week to like edit and kind of like relax, because to be honest, recording takes a lot of effort, time, and planning. So I try to plan as much as I can. That way when the day comes, I have pretty much everything together that needs to be together. But let's get into the styling video. I want to show y'all which outfits I came up with for these 3 pair of shoes. Okay, so for the Alexander McQueen gray sock boots, I'm gonna try to do this long sleeve turtleneck like crop shirt. I'm going to pair it with these black like tight like leggings, and then I am going to accent it with this long trench like gray vest jacket. And of course, these. And then I'm gonna add a pop of color. I think I'm gonna do, where's that bag? I think I'm gonna add this Marc Jacobs tote bag along with these red shades to do like a pop of color. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and record the video of me getting dressed, and then I'll come back in a minute to show y'all what the outfit looked like. Of course, if you like the outfit, leave me a comment below. If you felt like I should have done something different, also leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, girl. Give me a like button and a subscribe. Give me 1 second. Okay, friends, so this is what I came up with for the Alexander McQueen's. It's very simple, but I still think it's kind of cute. I don't know. I'll be getting so much backlash about my outfits that I don't even care no more. I just put together stuff that I think looks cute. So I hope y'all can get a good top to bottom. Okay, so I got the Alexander McQueen slick boots, whatever they call. Then I got these leggings. They kind of like they're not regular leggings. They kind of like sweater material. I got this cropped turtleneck long sleeve, and then I paired it with this long, you know, vest trench coat like thing. I wanted to add a pop of color, so y'all know. I did this little Marc Jacobs red tote bag and these sunglasses. Now, I'm probably not gonna put these sunglasses on because, like, I don't know, I'll probably, you know, I probably do the sunglasses. If I don't wear the sunglasses, then I usually just stick my sunglasses, you know, right here on my leggings. And yeah, this is what I came up with. So tell me what you think. Yes, no, maybe. I don't know. It's the first thing that came to my head. I just saw this, I pictured it, and I'm like, I think it'll be cute. And y'all gotta remember, what's cute to you might not be cute to a lot of people. It's hard to please everybody else. As long as you like it, that's all that matters. But somebody asked me to style these, and this is what I came up with. So, okay, next I am going to do, let me turn my camera around first. So the next outfit I'm gonna put together is gonna be with these knee-high Rick Owens. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna style these. And I think I'm going to pair it with these leather shorts. I'm gonna put on this, I guess the favorite. I'm gonna put on this sheer like see-through top with a black bra under it. And then I'm gonna put this green jacket on top. And then I've had this purse for a few months now and I never wore it. So I think we're gonna pair it with this Christian Dior bag. So I'm about to put everything on and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it looked like. All right, y'all, I'm back and I finally got dressed. Oh my God. But anyway, so this is what I came up with. So I got this little faux Letterman jacket. I got this sheer top along with these little faux shorts. I got these from Amazon. And then, girl, I paired it with the Rickies. Y'all already know where I got the Rickies from, but everything came together very nice. The off-white in the shoes, plus the off-white in the sleeves. Yes, and then, I don't know if y'all can see, but then I paired it with this Christian Dior gold choker and the Christian Dior matching bracelet along with the gold rollie. And then I had to break this out. I have never put this one on, but I decided to break it out today. And yes, this is the final look. I hope y'all like it. Yes. So I hope the person who requested me to style these shoes, I hope you're watching, but I'm also posting a video on TikTok. All right. Okay, so moving on to the next shoe I'm gonna style today. I'm going to style these Jordan 1 in the pastel lows. They pastels, but they give it like a fall pastel. So I'm gonna go ahead and style these today. I'm going a little more laid back. This is gonna be like an outfit that you can use to like run errands or go to the show, you know, something like real chill. So I'm gonna pair it with these, I don't know what color it is, like mint-like sweatpants. I'm gonna pair it with these. And then I got this little bodysuit that I got off Amazon. I'm gonna pair it with this cream bodysuit. And then I'm just gonna top it off with like this little cute little crop top. Now as for the bag, I really don't know which bag I wanna do. I kinda wanna do this little cute bag that I got from Shein. But then again, I kinda wanna do this bag that I got from Amazon. I don't know, it's like, I feel like this is so close in color to the pants, it'll kinda clash. But then this will kinda like stand out a little bit. So I'm gonna put them both on and I want y'all to tell me what y'all think. So let me put my clothes on and I'll be right back. Hope y'all can see the shoes, but hopefully y'all can see the shoes. But yeah, this is what I came up with. I got on the pastel J's in low. I just put on these sweatpants and this cute little bodysuit that I got from Amazon. And this jean jacket I didn't have for oh so long. So I'm not sure which purse I want to do. If I want to do this little, you know, cream like crossbody, or if I want to do this. Now this is so close to the pants. I'm not sure if it clashes or not. So this is how this looks, you know, with this bag. And then I'm more so leaning towards this one. Okay, so that's how it looks. I think the purse has a chance to be seen because it's not so close to the pants. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. And this one I also got from my Amazon store. This one I got from Shein. And yeah, this is the more casual look, still cute. You going to the show, run some errands, just on a quick little lunch tip. So tell me what you guys think. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, sis, because I need the subscription. Like, no, seriously. And that's about it. Okay, so like I told y'all in the beginning of the video, I wanted to bring y'all on kind of like a content day. So far I've been recording this YouTube video along with my TikTok videos like simultaneously. So it's been about 2 hours. I think I still got a little more work to do, but I'm about to take a break. I recorded 3 outfit changes plus the YouTube, you know, in the middle of each one of them. And then I still have to get over here and do some reviews on some of these packages. But a lot of people have been asking me for like some behind the scenes footage. So I figured today would be a good day since I had a lot of stuff to do. And yeah, this is about it. I always try to cluster record. That way I can spend the next few days like editing and posting my content. And that way I'm not overwhelmed. So by the time next week come, I got a whole new shipment of packages in and I start cluster recording all over again. But that's it for today. I'm gonna take me a break. I'm gonna start my reviews and I'll see y'all on TikTok. All right, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification bells on. I'll see y'all later.